How to clear app data and cache on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on App, scroll down and click on Storage. If you want to clear app data and cache, if you want to clear data, click on Clear Data. If you want to clear cache, click on Clear Cache. After clear cache and clear data, go back to home screen. So that's how you can clear app and cache on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.